Hi cuties, good morning to one and all. Today, subject EVS, grade 2, lesson 1. Topic, our environment. Do you know, we are lot of things around us, say for animals, trees, plants, playground, park, road and people. They all come as surrounding. Surrounding is called as environment. Today, we are discuss about the forest, plains and hills. Okay, dears? Are you ready? Shall we start the class? Okay, dears. What do you see in this picture? Yes, forest. We see bushes, grass, stream, ponds in the forest. Forest is a large area covered with trees. Forest is home to many animals. Forests supply food and place to live for all sorts of animals. Forest is home to many birds. So many birds live in forest. We can see beautiful and colorful birds in tree. Forest is cool and shady. Do you know this picture? Yes, correct. This is trunk of a tree. You all know your age, isn't it? Good. Age of a tree can be found by counting the number of annual growth rings in its trunk. Do you understand? Good. Forest is used to many ways, say for rubber, honey, fruits, wood, rain, oxygen, medicine and shelter. Okay dears? Now we are learnt forest. Second one, plains. A plain is a flat land area. It is warmer than hill. You see, farmers are working in this place. Yes, they growing crops in place. Plains are important for growing crops. Farms get water from the rain, rivers, lake, ponds and wells. We can see many animals such as buffalo, cow, bird, hen, dog, duck, cock and goat. We call these animal domestic animal. We should not hurt any animals. We have love to them. Okay dear? Good. And third one, hill. Natural raised area of land, but not so high as a mountain. It is much cooler than the plains. People visit the hill station, especially in summer. Isn't it? Good. Are you seeing this place? This is Udagamandalam. Udagamandalam is known as the queen of the hill station in Tamil Nadu. Okay dear? Second one. This is Kodaikanal. Are you seeing this place? Kodaikanal is called the princess of the hill station in Tamil Nadu. Okay dears? Step farms. Crops are growing in step farms. It is also called as terrace farm. What is this? Terrace farm. See the tea plantation. Tea and coffee are grown on hills. Okay dear? Yeah, good. Are you seeing this animal? Yes? Good. This is Nilgiri deer. The Nilgiri deer is our state animal. It is found in Nilgiri mountain. Okay dears? I think it's clear this section. Next, today homework. Some birds found in forest can also be seen near our houses. Put a tick mark for the birds that you have seen. First one myna, second one parrot, third one dove, fourth one crow, fifth one sparrow and last one peacock. Okay dears, do well. Good. And second one homework, fill in the columns with the given words. Cool, tea, flat, step farms, warm, sugarcane, hill station, coffee, high, crabs. Divide the two columns, plain and hills. Okay dears, do the homework properly. Okay, bye, take care.